Hello, I'm Madhu and today we're going to make Dal Fry. Dal Fry is a fancy name for a dal that is cooked throughout India. It is cooked with Toor Dal, and Toor Dal is also known as pigeon peas or red gram dal, and it is hulled, split, and washed. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wash the dal. And I wash it in about 3 to 4 changes of water till the water becomes clear. The easier way to cook beans is in the pressure cooker. In India, and all the Indians I know all own a pressure cooker. I actually have 4 pressure cookers, all different sizes and materials. So I resisted buying a instant pot. But instant pot is all the rage. All my friends were talking about it. So I finally bought one. And I have to say, the benefit I find of Instant Pot is the fact that it has a timer. The timer allows me to put a pressure for 4 minutes and walk away. Now, I'm going to take my soaked dal. I'm going to drain it. I just use my hand. And I'm going to put all the beans in the pot. Add 3 cups of water. Okay. I'm going to add turmeric and salt. All right. Close the cover. Turn it on, and I have it timed for 4 minutes. All right, now that we got our dal in the Instant Pot, we're going to go ahead and make our masala, the onion mixture. So once the oil is heated, I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. See, they start dancing right away. And I forgot one thing, which is asafoetida. You don't want to put too much asafoetida, just a little bit. That helps digest the beans. Put a cup of onions in it. And I'm going to let the onions brown. Okay, now that you see that the onions are golden brown, I'm going to add the garlic and ginger. Okay, so let it cook for a few seconds. Add the tomatoes, about a cup of tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to add the green chilies. To control the heat, you can just either eliminate it or use smaller amounts. You add the cayenne pepper. I'm just going to add a little bit. Add 1 teaspoon ground coriander. Stir to mix well. And now I'm going to cover this for a few seconds so it steams through and let the tomatoes get soft. I'm actually just going to turn off this. Just mash the tomatoes a little bit. This is ready to go into the dal. Actually looking really good. It's nice and smooth. Okay. And going to add the spice blend. Stir that in. Put this on saute and change the timer for 5 minutes. Add the garam masala, cilantro, about 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Okay. And about a tablespoon of lemon juice or lime juice. And stir. It looks great. Let's taste this now. Serve them with papadam, rice, whatever you like. It's creamy, flavorful, and so satisfying. It's one of my favorite comfort foods. For more recipes, go to my website, cuisineofindia.com. Until next time, happy, healthy living.